Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I told my mom that I was soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her sit back, I need my room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I gotta gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and them, you gotta choose. I'm taking my spine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they look.
What it do, everybody, man? It's Florida. It's race day, and we're gonna go wake up Steve and get him prepped for this race. You know what I mean? Get him on his regimen. Come on, come on. Fucking shit. God, you guys are dicks.
Hour and a half away from here, so that gives us plenty of time to charge our phone, sip some energy drinks, maybe, you know, relax, enjoy a smoke, who knows. But I'm confident. I think we got a car that actually could get it in the top 5, maybe walk away some cash. I think the minivan is just going to make a guest appearance in round 1 and probably get tossed out unless I can find like a PT Cruiser or another minivan. I'll take on all comers of minivans. But that came out wrong, but that's all I care about. I want to see how far the van can go, but the Porsche is the one. He's got some new tires on it, and he knows how to throw that car around. He just doesn't go to country clubs and golf courses with that car. He beats on that car, rips it around the pit, so he knows it well. Let's see how he does in like a bank course. So,
oh yeah, we interested in finding out how fast this dude's about to go on that shit.
Yeah, I mean, there's a reason why Cleetus went out of his way to buy this kind of a car in the first place.
Right.
I mean, they handle well. Those Porsches are set up. They're so stable. So, I mean, it's going to be cool. And like I said, the guy knows how to wheel it. It'll be cool to see if we can maybe walk away with some cash.
How many Porsches are in the run right now?
Last I heard, there are 3 Turbo S's. Cleetus's, my man Eric's, and there's one more. It's got like a Hot Wheels.
the green one. We saw that with the bottom wrap.
There's like a Hot Wheels one that's been coming out there.
Yeah, that's pretty dope.
We'll see. I'm sure those guys know how to drive, and Cleetus has home field advantage.
That's facts.
That's his place.
Yeah.
And you know, my man, you know he's
a throwdown.
Yeah, he's gonna practice all last night.
Yeah.
You know it.
Yeah, so, we calling you out, Cleetus. We know. he's been getting those testing runs.
We got New York plates on our stuff.
Hey.
We're coming for you.
It's all right, bro. It's all love. Yes, sir. Game time.
Come on, you got it, brother, you got it, let's go! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! Woo! Let's get it, bro! Oh. Come on, you filthy animal! Your mother's a sailor! Come on! You ate a damn donut for breakfast! What's going on here? Bring it in, bring it in! You want this? You want this? You can't have it! Get it! All right.
Whoever got the inside lane was gonna win on that one, bro.
Watch it go vroom, vroom. I told them all that I was soon. Knew as a child back in the room. Oh, told her sit back, I need my broom.
Hey, that's a W in my book.
Watch it go vroom.
That's a W in my
I'm in
book.
a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so bad, I'm back to the
Yup.
room.
Yup.
They gotta move.